Hello friends and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. How you all are doing? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to have a discussion for NEET experience as we are going to have NEET 2022 examination in some days. So all the students who are preparing for NEET, this video is going to be very informational for them. So today we will be discussing about the full length mock test for biology, and we will be also attempting one mock test, and you can see how we are making use of the Edureify platform and solving our NEET mock test. So जिसने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, हिट ऑन द बेल आइकन, एंड जितने भी वीडियोस बन रहे हैं उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाएगा. सो इजीली आप उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से आप एड्यूरीफाई प्लेटफॉर्म का यूज़ करके अपनी नीट एग्जामिनेशंस की प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर कर सकते हैं, अपना ऑनलाइन स्कोर इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं और अपने चांसेस और पक्के कर सकते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, जस्ट स्टार्ट आवर प्रिपरेशन. सो as you can see, we have NEET exam, so we'll be clicking on it. So you can simply click on the tab of NEET exam and choose the exam which you want to give for mock test, or simply you can also go for online test, select the exam, chapter and subject. So you will be able to do your revision subject wise and chapter wise. Okay? So this is your NEET exam. Now I am going for subject wise test. So I am taking subject biology. So now I will take my chapter transport and plants. Okay. So like this way we will be going for NEET subject wise test, chapter wise test, and today we are going to solve for biology subject, and chapter we have chosen is transport and plants. So there are so many tests for you and all are free to take. See. So let's begin. See how we can go for test. So the first test, there are total 20 number of questions. For this, you have to sign in for your Gmail ID or for the Google account, whichever you want. And here comes the test. So the first question is, in plant cell, which of the following is important determinants of movement of molecules in or out of the cell? Option 1, cell wall. Option 2, cell membrane. Option 3, tonoplast. Option 4, both 2 and 3. So whichever answer is correct, you have to click on it, save and move to next. The next movement of water is zero. The net movement of water is zero till dynamic equilibrium is reached, static equilibrium is reached. One chamber has transported all the water molecules, all of these. So the correct answer should be C. Water movement in plants is down a potential gradient in apoplast and up the potential gradient in symplast, down a potential gradient in symplast and up the potential gradient in apoplast, up the potential gradient in both apoplast and symplast, both the potential gradient in both apoplast and symplast. So we are choosing this. So like this way you have to attempt all the 20 questions, and see the quality of questions is very good, and these are the questions which are going to be coming on 2022 examinations, so you can prepare it accordingly. Once you are done with all the 20 questions, submit your test and see your performance score. एंड प्लीज़ जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, उन्होंने जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारी ऐप को डाउनलोड नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ type Edurify Learning app on Google Play Store. You will find it there. Download, install on your mobile phones and start practicing for your NEET exam. And do comment कि हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करने से पहले आपका स्कोर क्या था, यूज करने के बाद क्या हो गया।